Press the power button to turn on the machine. Install the fine point blade with the white cover into the machine. Place the heat transfer vinyl on a cutting mat with the cutting face up. If you're not sure which side is the cutting surface, peel a corner to check. Press the load/unload button to load the material, ensuring it lines up with the mat slots. Pick your favorite cutting design from the library. Go back to the canvas. Adjust its size. Click Make to preview the cutting result, and adjust the position. Once the machine is connected, choose the cutting layer and set the parameters. Mirror it. Click Start and let the machine do the cutting. Wait for the cutting to finish. Once done, press the load/unload button to unload the material. Now, let's weed the design. Place the weeded design on the fabric, cover it with a Teflon sheet, and iron it. Once cool, peel off the transparent film.